Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google search engine. So first of all, let's go to google.com. So here's the google.com, and now to change the language you have to click on settings, that is in the down right corner. So click on settings and then go to search settings. Now from here you have to click on languages. Now you can see some languages are already showing here, but if you want more languages, or if your language isn't showing, then you can click on show more. So now you can select what language you want to use, and for me I'm just going to select Bangla and then select save. You can choose any of this according to your preference and then click save. So my preference has been saved, so we can see all the things are now showing in Bangla. So that's how you can actually change the language in your Google search engine and all of the Google products that you're going to use. Now, to revert the change, you can actually go to the same process, go to settings, then go to search settings, then languages, then select English, and then click save. So that's how you can revert to English. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful, please click that red button that says subscribe and like this video so that we can create more content, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.